have you ever thought, why isn't the money flowing for me yet? You're smart, you're showing up, you're doing work in your business, but something keeps stalling the flow of money. And that something is often a sneaky money block, a belief that will shape your prices, your boundaries, your offers, and even how safe it feels to receive. I'm Denise Duffield-Thomas, money mentor, author and founder of Money Bootcamp. And after coaching tens of thousands of creatives and entrepreneurs, this month I will help you clear the 7 most common money blocks I see. For example, bartering and giving away things for free, sending mixed messages with your goals, overgiving and undercharging, overspending or procrastinating, giving your power away to others, feeling uncomfortable with success, and surrounding yourself with lack. Now, when you can name your block, and of course there are nuances, you can change it, and business will start to feel lighter and easier to make money. To help you start, I've created a free workshop, the 7 biggest money blocks and how to clear them. You can grab it for free at the link below this video, and then tell me which one jumped out for you, because you might not have all 7, right? So tell me which one was your biggest block. It's time to clear it because it's your time and you're ready for the next step.